Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a movement lesson with Velcro. I have a big tray with a small tray holding small wooden cubes and a rectangular wooden board. It's okay if you don't have this kind of board at home, that's fine. We can use any cardboard. For this we can attach one part of Velcro and the other one to these cubes. Let's start the lesson. Red. These two are same. Blue. These two are same. Red. Red. Blue. The child will enjoy the sound while taking these cubes out. Here we can aim for eye-hand coordination and color recognition too. To modify this for the younger toddlers, we can spread this part of Velcro all over this space and allow the child to stick wherever they want. Don't forget to share your pictures while you are doing this lesson. Thank you.